guys, Cody here, back with a new game. Well, not a new game to most people, but to me, I found this off the App Store. It's called Off-Road Forest. I see up there, there's Off-Road Winter Forest. I'm guessing that's just a winter version of this. But there's free mode and multiplayer. I'm just gonna be playing on free mode for now. Ads come up all the time. This was a nice little game. I added some money in though. Yeah. And put tilt steering on it. So I did actually get into the game at one point, but I didn't actually play it. The steering feels really loose on it. I have no idea why. And this thing has no power whatsoever. No. See, the steering's really loose. And there's this map, which is all blacked out, don't know why. And I can't figure out if it's like spin tires, where it's like you have to get cloaking, or not. But, I mean, this is a pretty fun game. I recommend you guys getting it. And because it's a multiplayer, I'd allow you guys to play with me. Yeah. I could do a live stream and just allow you guys to play with me. And you can drift. Yeah, there's these random trails that just go random places. This one apparently goes nowhere. Oh, mud pit, mud pit, mud pit. Mud pit, you can drift in it. Oh no, I can't drift in it. I'm not good at drifting. I'm doing a burnout. I wonder if Tomcat's ever done a video on this game. Tomcat 9700. I recommend you guys going to check out his channel. He does a lot of like sports and off-road things. He does off-road vlogs. A bunch of different things. So, I recommend you guys go check out his channel and subscribe to him. So, yeah. How am I stuck? Okay, yeah. So this mud is not very realistic. You can go whatever speed you want, depending on which truck you have, and it feels super slidey. I feel like I'm just on ice when I'm in the mud, and I have no idea why. Now, I've played Off-Road Winter Forest, but I've never gone back here. I don't exactly know where I am. Yeah, that mud just feels like I'm on ice. And turn, up the hill. Yeah, this truck has invincibly no power at all. You can get over most things, but some things is just like, I don't want to get over that, do I? No, and I'm stuck. I'm trying to go in reverse, not forward. Oh, the interior cam was really... Oh gosh. The interior cam is almost like a regular cam, where it's like your head stays stable and truck's bouncing around. It's different than most games. I mean, it's different. I'd rate it about 3.5 to 4 stars. This isn't that bad of a game. What am I stuck on? Truck had no power. Oh, that's a bad idea. I'm gonna get out of here now. That's why I said it was a bad idea. Reverse. Hey, there's a road up here. I've never been over here. Where am I? Now, yeah, this mud is super slidey. No, I have no idea. I think offroad winter forest had like super slidey mud because that was more or less snow, but you could get stuck easier there. I think I'm gonna go over and take some goods over to the lumber area. Yeah, if you guys didn't know about this game, you have to take goods over to the lumber area because people are living over there. And you take the lumber to the sawmill. You would think you would take lumber to the sawmill to make goods, and then from the take the goods from the sawmill, or you take the logs from the logging industry to the sawmill, which would make wood, like regular wood. And then, oh, there's a road over there. Oh yeah, I'm going in the right direction. Yeah, this is my challenge. Get some goods over to the lumber area. There's the warehouse. doing a burnout. Okay, this game is a lot harder to do. Oh, that's gone well. I feel like this game is like super loose on the steering. Yeah, I have tilt steering on, and it's nothing like Gigabit Off-Road. Gigabit Off-Road, super tight steering, right spot on, no delays. But this game, it's got a little bit of delay to it. But I don't know, for me, I've been having like, I forget what it's called, delayed something. Where it's like your reflexes aren't as good, where you just like, you're trying to run and you just stop for a literal second and then you start running. Delayed reflexes or something. Now that's not going well. Okay. I'm drifting. Lesson learned, never stop in the mud. Oop, 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 oop. Oh. No, 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 that's a tree. Oh. That wasn't a tree, that was a ledge. All my goods back there? Yeah. Oh, good. Hey, the lumber area is just up here. That trailer was on me. Oh my, ching! Yeah. So, alright, I was about to say Gigabit Off-Road. That was the Off-Road Forest game. I really recommend you getting this game. I rated about a 4 out of 5 star. Now if, now, I really liked this game. This game was a pretty good game. Even though it did have a pretty light steering system and the mud just felt like I was on ice. I feel like this game was pretty good. I recommend you go check out this game. Now, leave a like down below. Maybe even subscribe for more videos like this one. And bye-bye!